In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage email forwarding for your custom domain in Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your main Wix dashboard control screen. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Wix account and that you're viewing the site connected to the domain you want to manage. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid making changes in the wrong place later. Once you're on the dashboard, look along the left-hand side for the main navigation area. Scroll down until you find the settings section. This is where Wix keeps many of the key controls for your site, including domain-related options and email settings. Depending on your account layout or the version of the dashboard you're seeing, you may find what you need under domains, or in some cases under business email. Either option can lead you to the same area, so don't worry if the wording on your screen is slightly different. Click into domains or business email if that's what appears for your setup. After that, you'll want to locate your active custom domain. This is the domain currently connected to your site, and it should appear in a block or path line within the domain management area. Take your time here and make sure you're choosing the active custom domain, especially if you have more than one domain listed in your account. When you found the correct domain, select that domain block or path line to open its management options. Inside this section, look for the option labeled Manage Email Forwarding and click it. This will take you to the area where you can review or control how incoming email messages connected to that domain are forwarded. If you don't see the option right away, pause for a moment and scan the page carefully, since Wix sometimes places controls in expandable panels or side menus. The key is to stay within the active domains management area until the email forwarding option appears. That's all you need to do to reach the email forwarding controls from your Wix dashboard. Once you're in that section, you'll be in the right place to continue managing forwarding settings for your custom domain. Follow along carefully, and you'll be able to access the correct area quickly and confidently.